It's gonna hurt. Okay.
Oh, dude. Oh my gosh!
Are you videoing this?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm getting it. Oh!
Oh my god!
Did you?
Oh my gosh!
We literally got a volcano.
Oh my goodness! Holy hell! It's all over!
Why did you not talk
Oh
to me?
my gosh, dude!
I don't want it to spray out.
Dude! No!
You gotta get the.
You got it all out?
Not all of it,
Oh my
Dad.
gosh! Oh my gosh!
Paper towels.
Oh,
You know how much he has gotten out? Think about how much creamer comes in one of those little coffee cup creamer things.
oh my hell, dude! Oh gosh! Oh!
Oh, it's still shot out.
Guys, there's so much more in here, Doug. Alright, can you get that?
Dude, I think it stinks.
Oh, it's shot up and it's hanging off the paper towel.
Oh my lord! Oh gosh!
Doug, you hurting?
Yeah.
You alright, dude?
Doug, you're about a quarter of the way through, man.
Alright, here we go.
Oh.
Come on, Doug, let's get this done.
Dude. Oh my god.
Shooting.
Dog, that's
Alright.
bad, bro.
You gotta get in there with two hands.
Dude.
One spray me.
Hold on.
Alright, Doug, here we go.
Oh my god.
I think we got the biggest part.
Oh
That
my
was the one.
gosh.
That was the one. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Oh my gosh. My wife would love to do this.
Mine too.
Why do they like
You've got no idea.
Evan, I can't talk right now.
Oh my gosh. Dude, you okay?
Because you ain't done.
I'm not done.
No, you're not done.
Come on, Doug. Am I killing you?
Hold on. Hold on. Oh, wait, wait.
We're being gentle.
This is just.
Oh,
Oh, no. Ay, ay,
Oh my
ay.
gosh.
Are you videoing that, Rick?
No, I'm not
Oh,
anymore.
for sure I am.
Hang on. Leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there. Hang on.
No, I got the video, man. I haven't stopped.